3105 Lake Norman Drive in the highly sought after North Augusta neighborhood of Lake. About this property, feel free to reach out to myself, Brittany Hopkins with Maybaum Real Estate at 706-631-1983, or Bo Hopkins with Maybaum Real Estate at 706-825-5842. This beauty is stunning. 4 beds, 2.5 baths, open floor plan concept, gas fireplace, formal dining room, multiple office spaces, huge backyard already fenced in, 2-inch faux blinds. This seller has only been in the property for a little over a year. Their loss in having to relocate for work is your gain. I cannot speak highly enough about the builder that built this. The seller has done a wonderful job maintaining the property. There are so many upgrades in this home. I know you're going to love it as much as they do. It is move-in ready, from gutters to downspouts. The exterior was just soft washed. That's why it's light, bright, and white, ready for the spring market. Fresh pine straw was just laid yesterday. Rocking chair front porch. Get ready to get your offers in by noon on Sunday. Gorgeous rocking chair front porch. Such a peaceful, beautiful day. Who would not want to sit here and enjoy a cup of coffee or a glass of wine? As you enter the front door off the front porch, you have a stunning formal dining room to the left-hand side, coffered ceilings, high wainscoting, a great gray color. We have the 2-inch faux blinds up, so you have great sunlight that is coming through, all the natural light, so you can really see the true color of this formal dining room. I know it's really important for all of you that are potentially buying property offline to get a really good feel of what the colors actually are, and natural light will help you see the true paint colors. This has direct access into the kitchen area, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, white cabinets, nice black looking pools. They have pools, they have knobs, tons of storage, hand scraped hardwood flooring. I'm gonna zoom back over here. You can also see that you have a nice gray subway tile as their backsplash. This is the mudroom that's off of the back door. So as you enter this portion of the home, you have a nice custom bench over here. Again, all the blinds are up, and as I pivot to the right, you'll be able to see how open this floor plan is. Hands down, the floor plan is one of my favorite for many reasons. The number of bedrooms, the number of bathrooms, the entertaining possibilities, but also the stairs are located at the back. And it is very hard to find this flow in the new homes in this market. This property is only 1 year old, so the sellers are relocating, and unfortunately, their loss is your gain. That is a gas fireplace, as you can tell, matching subway tile on the fireplace that goes throughout the kitchen, and this will overlook the backyard that I will get to at the very end of the video. And as you can see, I'm going through here specifically so you can see the paint color next to the trim. The gorgeous Huskies do not come with this home, but you'll see how well maintained this lot is. The shadow box fence has already been installed. A phenomenally gorgeous spring day here in Augusta, Georgia. This can be yours. The seller's loss is your gain. I've shown you the view from the front door into the kitchen and dining room, but what I have not showed you what is to the right of the door. So there's a half bath down here, which is great for your entertaining, for your guests or any of your family or friends that are coming over. Half bath, pedestal sink, gorgeous wood looking tile. Tons of gray schemes throughout the home. So if you are loving that feel, this is the home for you. Again, this home is only a year old, so the seller's loss is your gain. Here's a cute bedroom, could be an office as the sellers are currently using it. Fans already installed. And if you notice, I'm particularly paying attention to the ceiling because it is smooth. That is an upgrade in most new construction. It is coming in this home at this price. So we just walked up the stairs, and remember the stairs are located in the back of the home. So I'm currently in the hallway. We have guest bedroom number 1 to my left. We have guest bedroom number 2 straight ahead. The full bathroom, there's also another walk-in closet. We'll get to the master bedroom in just a minute. The full bathroom is right over here next to bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2 up off of the staircase. Continuing with that gray theme, same exact flooring that you saw on the half bath downstairs. Now, I remember when my sellers purchased this home, the owner suite was absolutely amazing. And when I come back just a year later, it just reminds me all over again that this home and this floor plan are literally ideal. The amount of bedrooms, the amount of bathrooms, how fresh, how gray, how airy, how open, all of the upgrades that you're gonna see. Wait until you see this owner suite. So storage is huge. Any of you out there that love storage, this is going to be the home for you. You have built-in cabinets, tons of cabinetry in the bathroom, framed mirror. We're continuing with the brushed nickel theme, separate shower, separate tub. We go over here so you can see the soaking tub. Same backsplash that you saw in the fireplace with a nice little band detail. One of my favorite parts of this home, besides the color scheme and the amount of bedrooms, is this owner closet. So if you like storage, the bathroom, the closet, the bedrooms, the closet, it is here. Not only is it spacious to the left and right, but you have a nice custom built-in shelves and drawers already in here, so you don't even have to worry about it when you move in. Let's give you the view from the closet. Back through the bathroom, showers on the left, tubs on the left, pan right over here to the double vanity sink. Gorgeous, gorgeous countertops, nice edging. All the little details that cost so much money when you're building are done for you. Panning back up, back through to the owner's suite. As we leave the owner's suite and we continue down this hallway, we have storage right here. Laundry room up, nicely located between the owner's suite and the guest bedrooms. Be ready to be amazed. This is a humongous room. Right now, the seller is using it as a secondary office in addition to the one downstairs. If I pan over here to the right, bam, another bedroom. So again, you can use it like the seller currently has, a awesome bedroom office combo. Or it could be a great bonus space. It could be a movie theater room. The fans are already installed. 2-inch faux blinds are already in. We have another closet, storage everywhere you look. This home is great, more than great to be honest. So to recap what you've already seen, we have a formal dining room, open concept floor plan, family room, a office downstairs right off of the front door. Then we have 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and this room up here is multi-purpose, meaning you can use it for so many different things. The sky is the limit. Phenomenal home, phenomenal price, fully ready to move in. A year old, y'all. It's only been occupied for a year. Could not have painted a better sky for this video of this home that we are listing. Bo and myself are really excited. Our seller's loss is your buyer's gain. You can probably tell this siding is vinyl and it was just soft washed. So it is crisp, it is clean, it is bright, it is white. You have the nice black gutters and downspouts already installed. You can see over there on the front and on the back throughout the property. I'm currently standing in the backyard. This home site is huge. So the home is up on a hill, and when they bought the home, the builder had already installed this gorgeous retaining wall. I will get to that in another video, but I can't even tell you how peaceful it is out here. The sellers are so sad to be leaving this southern beauty, but their loss is your gain. Look at the size of the backyard, 6-foot shadow box privacy fence. When I walk over here, you're gonna see the sellers have gone ahead and added a gate that goes behind the property, and there's also a gate on the front to access the property from the driveway. So it's multiple gates on this fence. Let me go right over here. In my next video, you will go ahead and see down there on the portion between the door, there is another storage spot outside. Storage is a common theme you'll see throughout this home. Last video for you to look through. Here is the wall that I was discussing in the video prior to. As you can tell, that also has done its job. The seller has had I repeat, zero problems with drainage at all. We have this nice stone that goes along all the way, wraps around to the HVAC units on that side of the home. Going to give you another view just because it's so clean, so crisp. Fresh pine straw was just added yesterday. Let's give you a view back up to this backyard. Currently where I'm standing has been a great spot to grill, hang out with friends, entertain. And then just to top it off with everything else, yet another storage unit right over here. Call Bo Hopkins at 706-825-5842 or Brittany Hopkins with Maybaum Real Estate, 706-631-1983.